Welcome, fellow travelers. Today, let's embark on an adventure to a hidden gem of the world, a place that might just redefine your idea of paradise, Bangladesh. Yes, you heard me right. This vibrant country, bursting with life, is often overlooked by many. But I'm here to tell you that it's a traveler's virgin paradise. From the bustling streets of Old Dhaka to the high-rises of New Dhaka, you'll find street foods that tantalize your taste buds, and a culture that wraps you in warmth and hospitality. Imagine walking through the streets of Mughal Old Dhaka, where the aroma of spices wafts through the air, mingling with the sounds of laughter and chatter. Street vendors line the roads, each with their own unique offerings. You can't miss trying the famous fuchka, those crispy little puris filled with tangy tamarind water, or the mouth-watering biryani, an explosion of flavor that will leave you craving more. And don't get me started on the sweets. The variety of desserts here, like roshagolia and sandesh, will make your sweet tooth dance with joy. Now, let's shift gears to New Dhaka, where modernity meets tradition. High-rise buildings stretch towards the sky, but the essence of Bangladesh remains deeply rooted in its culture. Here, you'll find chic cafes and upscale restaurants, but don't forget to explore the local eateries. You might just find a hidden treasure serving the best kachori you've ever tasted. The hospitality of the Bangladeshi people is unmatched. You'll feel like family as you share a meal with locals who are eager to show you their world. And if you're skeptical about how friendly and hospitable Bangladesh is, I dare you to come and experience it for yourself. This country is known for its warmth. You might find yourself invited to a local home for dinner, and trust me, it's an experience you won't want to miss. It's not just about the food. It's about the stories shared, the laughter, and the bonds formed over a meal. Now, let's talk about the incredible diversity that Bangladesh has to offer. If you're a nature lover, the Chittagong Hill Tracts are calling your name. Picture lush landscapes, rolling hills, and vibrant indigenous communities. You can trek through verdant forests and visit traditional villages, immersing yourself in the unique cultures of the Chakma, Marma, and Tripura peoples. And then there's Cox's Bazar, home to the world's longest natural sea beach, stretching over 120 kilometers. Yes, you heard that right. The golden sands and gentle waves are perfect for sunbathing, swimming, or even surfing if you're feeling adventurous. Nearby, you can explore Himchari National Park or the picturesque Inani Beach, where the beauty of nature will take your breath away. For those who enjoy a serene escape, the Sylhet Tea Gardens are a must-visit. Imagine rolling green hills dotted with tea plantations, where you can tour the estates and learn about tea processing. It's a peaceful retreat, and sipping freshly brewed tea while surrounded by such beauty is an experience that will stay with you forever. Let's not forget the Sundarbans, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and the largest mangrove forest in the world. This is where you can embark on an adventure to spot the elusive Bengal tiger in its natural habitat. The intricate waterways are teeming with diverse wildlife, including spotted deer, crocodiles, and a myriad of bird species. It's a nature lover's paradise, and exploring it by boat is an experience unlike any other. And if history intrigues you, Bangladesh has that covered too. Mahasthangar, the oldest archaeological site in the country, takes you back to the 3rd century BCE. Walking among the remnants of ancient fortifications and temples, you can almost hear the whispers of history. Similarly, the Somapura Mahavihara in Paharpur, a significant Buddhist monastery, showcases intricate terracotta carvings that reflect its historical importance as a center for Buddhist learning. For a unique experience, head to Tangwar Haor during the monsoon season. This vast wetland transforms into a sprawling lake, attracting migratory birds and offering a tranquil escape for birdwatchers. The beauty of nature here is simply mesmerizing. And if you're in the mood for a little adventure, Lawachara National Park near Srimangal is a tropical rainforest filled with biodiversity. Trekking through its trails, you might just spot the endangered hoolock gibbon or other fascinating wildlife. But let's not forget Dhaka itself. The capital is a blend of modernity and tradition, with attractions like the historic Lal Bagh Fort and the Pink Palace, Ahsan Manzil. The bustling markets of Old Dhaka are a sensory overload, a place where you can truly feel the heartbeat of the city. And if you're feeling extra adventurous, did you know that Nepal is just a short flight away? You can easily plan a trip to experience the majestic Himalayas after soaking in the vibrant culture of Bangladesh. So, whether you're a foodie, a nature enthusiast, a history buff, or someone seeking genuine connections with locals, Bangladesh has something for everyone. It's one of the cheapest and most hospitable countries on Earth, where every corner you turn reveals a new adventure waiting to unfold. So pack your bags, grab your camera, and get ready to explore a land rich in beauty, culture, and unparalleled warmth. Bangladesh is waiting for you.